Let me quickly walk you through on how to download movies on Jio Hotstar. Welcome back to a new guide video everyone. If you're trying to download movies for later on when there's no internet connection, and even then you'll be able to watch them. If you want that, make sure you follow along and let's get right into the tutorial. Now, in order for you to download movies, make sure you subscribe to a plan. As you can see, there are three plans available: the mobile, super, and premium. Unless you have subscribed to a plan, you won't be able to download any sort of movies. So make sure you select a plan and subscribe to one particular plan. Now, once you have subscribed to a plan, just tap on any TV show or movie that you're trying to download for later on. Once you tap on any TV show, you'll be able to see the download button or the download arrow on the right hand side of an episode or even a movie. You can just tap on the download option right here. This way, once the movie or the TV show has been downloaded, you can head over to the download section even if you don't have internet and watch the movies from there. So that is how you download movies on Jio Hotstar. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.